Hello, friends, it's Teddy, and today I'll be showing you how to draw Snorlax from Pokémon. Let's get started. First, let's draw two straight lines for its eyes. Below the eyes, draw a horizontal D shape. Inside the D shape, add two reverse V shapes and a C curve to create its mouth. Moving on, draw a dot in the middle and extend a V shape from it. Above the V shape, draw a curved line and add two ears on both ends. Connect the ears with a curved line and then join it below with a straight line. Now, let's draw two curved lines starting from the V shape above. These lines should end as straight lines. Next, draw an S shape on one side to form its arm. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Finally, add 5 V shapes for its nails on each hand. And that's it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more drawing tutorials. Until then, happy drawing!